What is up, my simple cooks? It's Jono here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Today we are taking a trip to Japan and making some gyudon. In Japanese, gyudon translates to beef bowl. It's hearty peasant food, but best of all, it's extremely beginner friendly. So the ingredients that we'll need for today, we need 1 onion and some stuff to make our teriyaki sauce. I've got some mirin, cooking sake, and a bit of soy sauce. Oh, and also a bit of stock. Now, usually for this recipe, we use dashi, which is a Japanese stock. But if you don't have dashi, you just use chicken or beef stock, which I'm doing right now. And most importantly, this is a beef bowl, so we need some beef. And so here, I've got myself some nicely thin strips of beef that I got from the Asian grocery. If you can't find an Asian grocer near you, no need to worry. Get some chuck or ribeye steak, chill it in the fridge for a bit so it's nice and solid, and then slice it into nice thin strips. And finally, for our gyudon, at the end, we're going to serve on top a nice onsen egg. So, let's get cooking.
So, let's start off by cooking the onsen egg. Bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil and take it off the heat. Place the eggs into the water and let it cook for 17 minutes. Then, transfer the eggs into a bowl of ice cold water for at least 5 minutes to rest. Next, grab your onions and slice them into nice thin strips. Perfect, now let's move on to the beef. So for the beef, we just want to grab them together and do 4 cuts so that they're in nice bite-sized pieces. It doesn't have to be too precise. Perfect, time to prepare our teriyaki sauce. Get your pan and pour in half a cup of stock, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of sake, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then go in with your onions. Alright, let's head over to the stove and cook this up. Heat the pan over a medium-high heat, and you just want to bring the sauce up to a boil and start softening down those onions. Let the onions cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes and they should start to soften up. Then, add the beef into the pan and cook for about another 1 to 2 minutes until you can't see any more pink in the beef. Since the beef is so thinly sliced, they'll cook very quickly. This is looking superb. Now, let's serve this udon up. Thinly slice some spring onions, fill up a bowl of rice and just top up the beef onto the rice. Get in there and be generous with the beef. And don't forget to pour in that bit of sauce at the end too. Then, get your onsen egg and crack it in the middle. Garnish with some spring onions and finally a bit of beni shogu, which is Japanese ginger, and place it on top. Ah yes, almost forgot. You can also sprinkle a bit of Japanese 7 spice on top of your onsen egg, but it's completely optional.
And that, my friend, is how you cook gyudon. Jason and I absolutely love cooking Japanese food, and gyudon was one of the first recipes we actually learned how to make. And I'd just like to thank Nami from Just One Cookbook for inspiring us to get into Japanese cooking. Thank you, Nami. And guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, smash it, abuse it, drop a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On this channel, we upload beginner-friendly videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen.
Itadakimasu. Wow, look at this. Look at this egg. Man. I'm gonna get a fork. Nice breakfast. Worth the wait.
No. I like how this recipe is so simple.
Yeah.
Anyone can make it.
Yeah.
Like, literally anyone.
Sign off.